Marquee tool is also great to tell Logic from where to start playback in your arrange. You know, sometimes you want to have a specific part of your arrangement played back. Let me just give you an example. If I place the marquee tool right here and click, this is where Logic will start playback. Or how about I only want to listen to this part and skip the surrounding areas. That is how this works. So that's for playback. I already showed you how the marquee tool can replace the scissors tool, but it actually works as a scissors tool also. If I just double click with the marquee tool anywhere in a region, I get all these edits and I can start editing right away. All right. Oh, by the way, the play from marquee only works when you've got that checked under the play button. If you right click the play button in your transport, you need to have this checked, the play from marquee selection. So if it doesn't work for you, this is where you set it, under the play button. All right, all these editing and cutting and playback features of the marquee tool also work over multiple tracks. And here's a little tip for you. If you just option drag your track, it gets copied with everything that is on the track. So if I want to make an edit here, I just select with the marquee tool and delete. Same here. There you go. Going to undo that, Command Z, because I want to show you if you drag down with the marquee tool and click on it, you get an edit over multiple tracks. And you know, of course, everything that I've showed you at the beginning also works over multiple tracks. Just option drag for a copy of part of the region, or just select and move. Simple as that, right? Got a nice automation trick with the marquee tool also. If I press the A on my keyboard, I get automation view, and I'll turn on the automation for track 1. Now let's say this is the part here that I want automation on. I did that the same way, of course, using Command. Select the part, and now I'll double click on the volume line and I'll get a couple extra nodes. And it's not one node, it's not 2 nodes, it's actually 4 nodes, because if I drag down on the line, I actually have 4 nodes and I can delete one to create a nice volume curve. So that's a nice automation time saver with the marquee tool.